We are at the No Vacancy show.
Hello.
And we are in the bed of the hotel room of the future.
Love it.
We are absolutely shattered.
Absolutely. I could actually go to sleep. It's been amazing.
Oh my God, it's been so good. Oh my God, this place has been absolutely swamped for 2 days.
You haven't stopped talking, I don't think.
Oh my God, I haven't. It's been I'm quite like it.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's been brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
The first day, Wednesday, we were on stage, weren't we? Keynote stage, and we did our podcast live, and people asked questions and stuff. And then everyone came over, didn't they?
Oh my God, yeah. Apparently this room was swamped. Absolutely swamped. So, do you want to tell our listeners a little bit more about the hotel room of the future?
Yeah, so it took a long time, didn't it, to organise it all, but we've got the recyclable shower, and we have here's Phil.
Hi Phil, join us, we are being recorded.
We're recording.
For the No Vacancy show. This is Phil. Phil is our amazing client from London Cricket.
North London Cricket
Club.
Yeah. So, do you want to say hey?
Hi. I've just been talking to Peter about this idea.
Yeah, why don't you tell us a bit about it?
Well, it's just amazing that you can shower and have all these people showering, and then all the water's redistributed. And
not at the same time, they don't shower, do they?
No. No, I'm on the bed with two beautiful women. Come on. No, this is really interesting. Yeah, really interesting for clubs. And he was saying in Sweden they do it in their sports clubs and things. So really good.
So maybe one for North London Cricket Club?
Well, I think it could be. Yeah, this could be. We should have thought these showers as we're putting them in now.
Yeah. Amazing. Yeah, this is Michael over here.
Hi, Michael.
Michael,
nice to meet you.
I feel like I need to move a bit. Michael is from Fresh Bed.
Yes.
And Fresh Bed is a body temperature regulating bed.
Wow.
Michael,
have you heard about this?
No, teach Phil about
it. Hannah just mentioned it, but yeah.
So shall I explain what we do and how we do it?
Yes, please.
Absolutely.
So on each side of the bed, we have a medical grade HEPA filter underneath the bed, inside the bed base, wherein we basically suck 50 cubic meters of air and purify it to 99.97% pure air.
Okay.
Then the air gets gets pushed into the air generation unit, wherein we control the temperature on each side of the bed separately, and also the relative humidity. And then the clean air is pushed through the mattress onto your body, because if your skin temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, you are entering deep sleep quicker and staying in deep sleep up to 50% longer. So basically what we can do with this bed is we can improve your sleep, so you can recover and restore during the night a lot better. And there are a few upsides for hospitality as well, because of all the air filtration, the rooms are a lot cleaner. So housekeeping has less time. They need less time to clean the rooms. And the bed has a few functions. We have a full sleep mode, and we also have the boost mode, wherein we boost air through the mattress, cleaning all the residual humidity within the mattress or the sheets. And that basically keeps the mattress crisp and clean and the sheets crisp and clean all time.
So is the mattress a special mattress?
Yes, we developed it especially to support the technology within the bed base.
Okay.
And the air can only go up and down.
Yeah.
And it can't go sideways, which happens in all normal mattresses. And in normal mattresses, the humidity will sink into the mattress one way or the other. And then bacteria can grow and fungi can grow. And basically you have to chemically clean the bed at least once a year, which nobody does. And within the hospitality area, you should throw the bed away every 18 months, or the mattress at least, every 18 months to 2 years.
Wow.
No one does that. Of course not.
So what's the constitution of the mattress? What's different to a normal? I don't know.
It's more breathable. So we have the same support system as any other mattress vendor, where we use the springs and the pockets and the different layers of foam. It's just more breathable. And it has the same support and comfort levels that any normal mattress vendor also offers.
Okay.
Just the technology is a little bit different.
And you have just a source, a plug socket to just plug it in.
Yes,
That's it.
it's connected to the internet.
Wow.
So each person can control the temperature via remote control per side of the bed.
Mhm.
And you can also use the app. So basically from anywhere in the world, you can set the boost mode or the temperature. If you arrive at Heathrow at 9 p.m. and you know you're home at 12 and you want to have the bed at 24 degrees Celsius, you can actually set it to that temperature.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you have a bed at your house?
Yes, of course. Yeah. And the bed
That's why it
base
goes
is,
with the job description.
yeah. And the bed base is also specially designed so no bed bugs. Bed bugs can crawl in, or any creepy crawlers can crawl in or onto the system.
I like
Amazing.
that.
Yeah.
Who manufactures these then?
We actually do it ourselves in the Netherlands.
In the Netherlands.
And
Okay.
one of the, we have a mattress factory in the Netherlands, actually two that we work with. And there's also one for the most high-end mattress that we supply that is Swiss. So that's a Swiss manufacturer
Wow.
using our technology.
How much are they?
It
the
varies. That's a
question.
good question. It varies. The one we're lying on now is give or take £18,000
Mhm.
as a recommended retail price. But we also have the fresh bed inside system, where if you have an existing bed frame and you love that bed frame, we can drop the technology inside the frame and then
Okay.
supply the mattress, and then the recommended retail price goes down to about €12,000 or GBP.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So these would be good in Cobbler's Cove in Barbados, where they've got to pay $1,000 a night.
A night, yeah.
So
Now we
they
supply a
would
lot
like
of
these.
wellness hotels, medical wellness. Some
Okay.
of the high-end hotel brands use it for their suites.
Mhm.
And we're now developing a new model, which we hope to launch this summer, which makes it a lot more affordable,
Yeah.
more attainable. And that way we hope to broaden our audience significantly.
Wow.
And besides that, we're now also developing an operational lease model
Mhm.
where the hospitality industry does not have to pay the whole thing up front, but they can get from 24 up to 16 months
Okay.
of payment terms.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How have you found the show, Michael?
Very interesting. I found it not only exciting, but also none of the people I spoke to I've ever met before in my life. And I've been doing this for 25 years. So
Wow.
that was quite interesting. And also the feedback from all the people, the questions, they were very relevant and very on par with the hospitality industry and what we try to explain. So I was very happy so far.
What was the hardest question you had to answer?
Can't you make it at 1/3 of the price?
How about no?
Can I get one for free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll test it out.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, we do offer testing in the Netherlands.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a few hotels in and around Amsterdam, where we can put interested people up for 1, 2, 3
Okay.
nights to test it.
And that's where you're based in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Well,
How
thank
about you, Phil? How's the show?
How's
You've
the
only
sh-
just got
The
here.
No
I've only
Vacancy
just got
show.
here.
Have you?
I've only
You
just
come straight to see
you.
us.
Of course I have. I didn't want to see anybody else.
Oh, thank you.
I might see, just have a quick look at everything, but this is really interesting in the bed. I mean, and your hotel room of the future. Wow. It's
And
gotta
you need
be-
to speak to Simon over there.
Oh my
His
goodness, Simon
pillows.
sleeps.
You need one of his
Oh yeah,
pillows in your life.
pillows, I know. I'm gonna have a, yeah, I'm
Simon
gonna
has the
speak to him
best
next.
pillows.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna go and speak to him now.
Thanks, Phil.
Bye. Well, thank you for listening to the Hotel Room of the Future chat.
From the bed.
Well, and thank you, Harp Design, for having us here and letting us do our thing.
It's been great,
It's
hasn't
been
it?
a pleasure.
It's
Yeah.
been fun.
How busy has it been?
Very.
Oh my god, it's been so busy.
Non-stop. Normally you have a breather every now and then,
Yeah.
and these last 2 days, non-stop.
Non-stop.
Yeah.
I haven't had lunch. I haven't eaten today, have you?
Neither have I. I had a flapjack today.
We're just having a little interview.
Come and sit.
No, come and sit down.
This is Dan from Frontier Marble and Granite.
We're just having a little
in the
interview.
bed.
We're getting in bed with Harp Design.
Hello.
We're in bed with-
Yeah, that's the new podcast.